very important for you to study. Next is molarity. Students, next is molarity. The definition of molarity is actually number of moles of solute, और ग्राम मोल भी बोल सकते हैं, number of moles of solute by volume of solution in liters. Molarity is represented by capital letter M. So M equals to N of solute, that is number of moles, small n is number of mole of solute, N of solute by V of solution in liters, by volume of solution in liters. Here you see, we know that number of moles equals to given mass by molar mass. If we are talking in terms of solute, then number of moles equals to given mass of solute by molar mass of solute. So N equals to M by M, small m by capital M. Small m is given mass, capital M is molar mass. Here students, please don't get confused between molar mass and molarity, because both are given by capital M. Molarity equals to number of moles, which is represented by M by M of solute by volume of solution in liters. So if volume is given in milliliter, what will you do? If volume is given in milliliter, then you will divide it by 1000 to convert it into liters. Okay, so molarity equals to M by M divided by V by 1000, V in ml by 1000 to convert it into liters. This is how you can calculate molarity. Very important method of expressing concentration of a solution. Students, molarity we will be using a lot in your class 11th, 12th and in future also. Unit of molarity is moles per liter. Moles of solute per liter solution. Moles of solute per liter of solution, or moles per liter. Molarity changes with temperature. Why? Tell me. Because with temperature the volume changes with because with temperature volume also changes, so molarity also changes. Okay, so molarity changes with temperature. Don't get confused between capital M, that is molarity, and molar mass of solute, as both are represented by capital letter M.